Oh man, I'm so glad to be off work. Shit, ready to get my ass home. I'm tired of these damn cicadas, all this damn noise. Jesus. I do not want to have to deal with this no more.
The cicadas have now mutated and they are now sex-crazed zombie cicadas, and they may or may not try to mate with human beings. And
sex-crazed
my research shows that the sex-crazed zombie cicadas are gonna be around a little bit longer than the regular cicada season supposed to last, due to the mutations that have taken place in their bodies.
Ah, hell. Okay, Stacy, you got this. Look, it's just a little bug. It ain't that didn't sound like no little bug. That sound like a monster. All you got, here to there, here to there. How many feet is that? I don't know how many feet it is. I should have paid attention in school. Damn it! It's not a lot of steps. That's all I know. Okay, it ain't a lot of steps though. So if I just here to there, that's as far as you gotta go. It's not a lot of steps. You got this. You got this. Man up. Man up. Man up. Man up. Okay. Man up. Come on. Whew. Yeah. I had a tiger. Let's go.
We don't want y'all around. Go back underground, cause we tired of hearing that sound. Goddamn cicadas. Why y'all look like that? Every time I go outside, y'all crawling on my arms. I'm back. Goddamn cicadas. Y'all can go to hell. When I look outside my window, all I see is y'all shell. Goddamn cicadas. I heard y'all can't see. Every time I turn around, you hoes is running into me. Cicadas. All this to make 17 years. Don't you think it's too late? Goddamn cicadas. I'm gonna need some therapy or something, man, for real. Let's go. Cicadas. Y'all some haters. See you later.
Alright, come on.
Cicadas.
Come on. You trying to...
Oh, get your shit and go. Cicadas. 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 Yeah, I said it. Tell your whole crew. Yeah, Cicadas. We waiting on the response. I want to hear what y'all got to say tonight. Yeah, let's go. Cicadas.
Ah, damn. Whew, I'm glad that's over. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Man, damn.
This is a cicadas, this. I'm tired of y'all, man. I'm tired of y'all. Let's get it. Cicadas. It's phrase. Lash out. Cicadas. Shot-town. Cicadas. Let's get it. Cicadas. Cicadas. We don't want y'all around. Go back underground, cause we tired of hearing that sound. Goddamn cicadas. Why y'all look like that? Every time I go outside, y'all crawling on my arms or back. Goddamn cicadas. Y'all can go to hell. When I look outside my window, all I see is y'all shells. Goddamn cicadas. I heard y'all can't see. Every time I turn around, you hoes is running into me. Cicadas. All this to make 17 years. Don't you think it's too late? Goddamn cicadas. I'm gonna need some therapy or something, man, for real. Let's go. Cicadas. Cicadas. Y'all some haters. See you later. Cicadas. Cicadas. Y'all some hoes. Get your shit and go. Cicadas. 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 Yeah, I said it. Tell your whole crew. Yeah, Cicadas. We waiting on a response. I wanna hear what y'all gotta say tonight. Yeah, let's go. Cicadas.